How to get OneDrive Personal running on PC. Looking to use OneDrive Personal on a PC? Here's how to activate and use a personal OneDrive account on Windows. First of all, check your Start menu for OneDrive. If it's not there, download it from Microsoft official website. I've got it right here. Install the app and open it. Use your personal Microsoft email to sign in, like an @outlook.com or hotmail.com address. The wizard will guide you through basic setup. Once you sign in, OneDrive will set up a dedicated folder in File Explorer. Any files that you've added here will automatically sync to your OneDrive cloud. Since I already logged in with my account, I have these files here on my OneDrive. And that's it. You're up and running with OneDrive Personal on your PC. Simple, secure, and synced. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this.